Hi there everyone, welcome to Engineering Pritam, and in this video we will continuing our PTC Creo Parametric series. In this particular one we will talk about a radial hole and how you can implement that inside your model. So without further ado, let's get started. So here you can see I have already opened this part. Now in order to add radial hole, as the name suggests, it is hole that is placed in a radius. So here we can see this is a radius that I have already created, and let me actually click on hole, and as soon as you click here you will see that the type is now radial instead of linear. Now what we need to do here is, just like any other hole, we require to provide two references, and this could be either this plane or that plane, and then the z. So here we have provided both r and z. Now what we need to do here is we need to specify the angle. So let's say it's 30 degree. So in this way guys, we can adjust the position of it. Let's make it 0, and let's see where exactly it exists, and we can see the whole center point is now at the beginning of this radius, and which we can also confirm by enabling shading with edges. Now here we can see it clearly, and then let's also make it at center. So I'm gonna make this distance as half. Also let's make it 10 so that the whole position will be at center. So in this way guys, we can create a radial hole inside PTC Creo Parametric. Now again, let me click on edit definition. Now let's change this degree to 45 degree. Now let's change this value or degree to -45 degree, and there we go guys. We can see now this hole is perfectly placed in center of this radius. So in this way guys, you can create a radial hole inside PTC Creo Parametric. I hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to Engineering Pritam to follow complete PTC Creo Parametric series, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.